Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply locate or find your Bitget UID. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is go ahead and install the app, log in, and connect it to my email or my phone number. Now I'm gonna tell you the reasons why you can find it. So the possible reasons could be there could be possibly platform glitches or outdated app version. So make sure you're using the updated version, alright? So if the account is not fully verified, some features, including UID visibility, may be restricted as well. So make sure that you're already verified. You can do this by going to a specific section that asks for verification, like this, for example. So make sure you have some personal details and like government IDs with you to verify your account, just so you can access or find your UID. But as for me, I just have it in my profile section and here, and that's where I can find my UID under my name or beside my profile picture. So just make sure that your app is updated and that your account is fully verified. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.